East St. Louis School District 189's welding program is just one of the jewels in the career and technical education family crown. The welding program allows for students to earn up to 11 dual credit college hours, earn American Welding Society welding certifications, gain valuable fabrication experience, and develop skills for entry-level employment in the welding field upon graduation. The three classes offered: Beginning Welding, Weld 1, and Weld 2. Beginning Welding touches on basic concepts, the vocabulary associated with the industry, and familiarization with the equipment. Weld 1 focuses on GMAW, MIG welding, as well as stick. Weld 1 focuses on GMAW, or MIG, and stick welding, both very much used in the industry. Weld 2 focuses on certification in stick. Students who are awarded this certificate have taken the first step towards gainful employment in the welding field. This welding program prepares students to either continue their education or enter the workforce upon graduation, or both. Entry-level welding jobs have a much higher starting salary than non-skilled jobs. The welding industry offers jobs that allow for students to purchase cars, boats, homes. Students who complete District 189's weld program will have the opportunity to land solid employment in the welding industry.